Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot sauce for shawarma. To begin, you'll need fresh red chilies, garlic, and vinegar. Make sure to have some good quality olive oil and a pinch of salt on hand. For an extra layer of flavor, you might also want to consider adding a few of your favorite spices. This simple recipe will elevate your homemade shawarma experience. Now let's get our ingredients ready. First, carefully wash and stem about 10 to 15 red chilies, depending on your desired heat level. Next, peel 3 to 4 cloves of fresh garlic. Once clean, roughly chop both the chilies and garlic. This preparation makes them easier to blend smoothly, ensuring a consistent texture for your delicious hot sauce. It's time to blend our sauce. Combine the chopped chilies, garlic, and 1/4 cup of vinegar in a blender. Process until you achieve a smooth paste. Then, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a small saucepan over medium heat. Carefully add the blended mixture to the pan and let it simmer gently for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. To finish, stir in about a half teaspoon of salt, or adjust to your personal taste preference. Once the sauce has simmered and thickened slightly, remove it from the heat. Allow your homemade hot sauce to cool completely before transferring it to an airtight container. Stored properly in the refrigerator, it will stay fresh and flavorful for up to 2 weeks, ready for your next shawarma.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.